Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci System, critical chart you must start with every morning. This is institutional chart. As you can see clearly on Alpha Fibonacci structure, we reached institutional brick wall. This level is out, this level to follow. In case you missed the events in this trading room for the last few months, let me remind you where this bullish rally came from. As right now institutions keep adding to longs, and as we discussed for months, intelligent trader number one had not been shorting this market since the end of June. Here we are. This is flawless, stunning point of entry. This is where intelligent trader buys with institutions, knowing months in advance. You never short near this level. You only option to buy from. And when institutions placing multiple longs, this is day trader's dream. Let's go back a little further. As again, intelligent trader knows. On day trading chart, we reached brick wall. On day trading chart, we need powerful pullback. This is red zone. Buying at this level will give you success rate less than 20%. We need a powerful pullback. Without powerful pullback, market will test you to the core. These are the very basic rules. So here's crucial institutional chart. Let's go back to the month of June. Here we are, June 1st. Anyone surprised where price is? Does this look familiar? This is rate increase. Horrific event. Worst rate increase in 20 years. So how is it possible that S&P is skyrocketing 150 points? Institutional orders sitting and waiting days and weeks and months in advance. So if you know where institutional orders are, you are not shorting near. Never, ever, ever. You're looking to buy with them. You're excited about this day. You're excited about this week. At the institutional buy point, shorts are never, ever, ever an option. And that's the reason for stunning flawless bullish rally, 150 points plus, despite worst rate increase. Let's go back further, shall we? So you can see how system identifies key institutional points of entry months in advance. February 1st, Putin surrounding Ukraine. No one imagines what will play out next. February 22nd, Putin invades Ukraine. So how's it possible? Bullish rally skyrocketing? 350 points? My goodness. What a stunning and flawless reminder. Institutional orders sitting and waiting to be filled. And that's the reason for this bullish rally. Institutions don't pull a trigger and throw random orders unless market overextended and institutions in significant profit. Takes institutions days, weeks, and months to accumulate position. 5 weeks of war, 5 weeks of bullish rally. These are the lessons of the system. You can trade on all instruments with your brilliant mind and your brilliant effort. You're not buying the top. You're selling the top. So if I take you back to the month of December, I exit my long position. We discussed with students, prepare for crash. Price reached reversal zone. All depend on response at this level, one step at a time. If you're shorting the markets, this is a place to short from, not to buy. This is a place to buy from. So if you're trading your own little account, you strategize and prepare carefully. Crash? Absolutely expected. Bullish rally reached reversal zone. Sell-off is on and on and on until price reaches first institutional buy point. And that's how market moves, one step at a time. War or not, you are not shorting near institutional buy point. This is a zone. Longs are waiting to be filled. Institutions can afford to buy on the way down. Averaging down with billions of dollars is a very popular strategy when you're managing multi-million and multi-billion dollar position. If you don't, you're riding markets with institutions. You do not trade against them. That's it. I coach you, I teach you to think. As a multi-million dollar hedge fund trader, I coach you to think, to use your brilliant, intelligent mind. Here's the market right now. Bullish rally overextended. We're no longer at institutional buy point. We're at institutional hold point. We reached all the targets spelled out months in advance. So the price continues higher. You will be tested to the core. This is a crawl. This is a pain. If pullback remains junk, day trader will be tested until big money comes back from vacation. What is the market structure? Hold, crawl, chop, and then powerful bullish moves. You are not surprised? You're respecting vertical bullish rally. You're riding institutional power. You are not a gambler. You are not a speculator. You're not throwing random trades into the market. Black and white. So here's a trade that's very pure and very simple. At key day trading buy point, I converted software to 3-minute chart. What do you see here? Very important moment. Why is decision point 1 in so much pain? Because bullish rally overextended. That's the reason. And then price moves again, one step at a time, and collapses from reversal zone. This is software for NinjaTrader 8. That's a phenomenal tool. You choose your optional top trades. Every trader different account, every trader different risk management. You decide what chart you want to trade. And that's software now, projected on 1-minute chart. Only when powerful pullback will play out, intelligent trader will be monitoring for trade at this level. This is simplicity, this is purity in front of you. If this junk and chop remains, this is broker's heaven. Broker printing money. If you are touching this market, the only intelligent, brilliant thing to do, to be on sidelines. Typical overextended bullish rally with retail bearish correction. Without powerful pullback, intelligent trader would not be touching this market. There is no powerful pullback, it's weakness, it's chop. When market giving you chop, you are not pulling a trigger randomly. Price is stuck. So while S&P is stuck in junky pullback, let's review other instruments. So here's this morning students from all over the world. David in UK trading Forex. Stunning intelligent trader practicing first. Only when trader doubles the account, only when trader reaches ultimate confidence, trader starts trading live. That's it. This is intelligent, brilliant move. No gambling here. Only strategic, intelligent trading. Bread, 6 trades, 26 points, all long. Of course, because of institutions buying the markets. Why in the world would you stay in front of bullish train? You would never do that to yourself, would you? So why do you do it with your money? Of course, never, ever, ever. You conquer your testosterone, your cortisol. You're riding institutional power. This is the only option. Now, trader who trades small account, tested to the core. Price is stuck. It's junky correction. This is the most important moment in your trading. When you stop losing money, when you stop paying for your broker's vacations, when you stop staring at the charts, when no trades are present. Buying at this level is gambling. Institutions can afford to buy anywhere as institutions holding longs. But if you are trading your own little account, red zone is not the place to buy. Again, if you are not in profit, 300, 500, 700 points, you cannot afford to buy here, can you? Obey the rules and stay in your lane. That's the most crucial rule. That's critical. And that's how you test it to the core. This is simplicity in front of you. This is purity. And that's our global community. Brad in New Jersey, David in UK, trading completely different instruments. What is 26 points on S&P? $50 per point. Do the math. One lot, 1900, 10 lots, $19,000. 20 lots, $38,000. It's absolutely Brad's personal business how many lots he trades. That's it. No powerful pullback. Correct? No surprise. Single glimpse is all intelligent trader needs to know. Market not selling off. Correction is junk. Price did not crash through this level. That's it. Staring at this is never ever an option. Let's go to other instruments while S&P testing you to the core. Bullish rally overextended. We're sitting very pretty at this level. This level is out. Price will head higher. Is not a good thing. Day trader will be tested to the core. Price selling off to this level is a gift. And again, if I take you back to July 1st, this was the market at reversal zone. Not anymore. We are no longer at 3600 level. We are at 4300 level. And with Alpha Fibonacci system and your brilliant effort, you know this, days, weeks, months, and years in advance. All depends the chart you trade, day trading chart, minutes, hours, days ahead. That's it. And that's S&P on August 15th. Let's go to other instruments. Let's go to stocks, Bitcoin, and Forex. So in case you missed the events on Bitcoin in this trading room, let's go back before the crash. November 2021. As we discussed with students, intelligent trader not buying reversal zone. Intelligent trader identifies Price setting up for collapse, as again, price moves one step at a time. That's it. This level is out, this level to follow. One step at a time. What was happening on the news at that time? At 70,000 level. It was surreal. The hype is on. So many podcasts, so many statements, hiring frenzy on Wall Street. People being grabbed off the street because crypto expansion is major in hedge funds and institutions. But it's catastrophic crash. Absolutely expected. Price reached reversal zone. Let's go back further. Let's go back here. April 2021. Why was this surreal? Because global convention in Miami is on. Mayor of Miami announcing you can pay your bills with crypto, your real estate taxes with crypto. How is it possible? Crypto crash is on and on and on. Price reached reversal zone. If you buy at key support level. Buying overextended bullish rally at reversal zone is gambling. All depends on the response at this level. Global convention or not, Bitcoin in free fall. And that's very powerful lessons. That's very powerful reminder. If you can trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci system. You can apply this to all platforms. Obey the rules, pretty please. Do not speculate. Do not listen to noise. So Michael Saylor was on every single channel, on every single podcast, stating that it's not a brilliant move not to buy Bitcoin. That Bitcoin heading 200,000 and 500,000 statements was surreal. Everyone in panic, everyone jumping on bandwagon. He can afford to lose 6 billion in one day. What is the funniest thing about the hype and the noise? He's also begging government to regulate Bitcoin now. But his number one point was Bitcoin is not regulated by government. That's a good thing. Do you understand that? Shocker. Not. That's it. And that's a crucial part that you need to understand. Avoid the hype, avoid the news. Respect news due to volatility only. With Alpha Fibonacci system, you trade better than Warren Buffett, who can afford to lose billions of dollars. That's it. You are not buying at reversal zone. You're buying at the bottom. You're buying at support. Bitcoin not heading to 100 anytime soon. Not in this life. With Alpha Fibonacci rules, you understand that part. My heart goes out to those who gambled on the hype. If hype and news worked, every person on the planet will be Bill Gates. It does not. And that's bullish crawl on Bitcoin and junk. With single glimpse, intelligent trader who trades Alpha Fibonacci system knows that. It's junky bullish correction on Bitcoin. There is no power. Sell-off of 70% is a stunning reminder. Know when to exit your position. Turn off the noise and hype. Respect news due to volatility only. And make your own intelligent decision. So here's Euro from this trading room. 2015-2016 Alpha Fibonacci system identified. This is key level to the downside. Is anyone surprised where Euro is now? Shock or not? In bullish correction. When last time was Euro at 1 to 1? 20 plus years ago. That's it. We're testing this level. We're stuck between these two levels. Tesla skyrocketed from Alpha Fibonacci support. Flawless, breathtaking, identical thing as on Bitcoin, except Tesla a whole lot more powerful than Bitcoin. You can trade everything with Alpha Fibonacci system. So if you're done chasing indicators, done speculating, done gambling, done stressing out, I look forward working with you. I coach you exact same system. I coach two JP Morgan traders. I coach two hedge fund managers all over the world. Traders who manage multi-million, multi-billion dollar accounts with Alpha Fibonacci system. Traders from 14-year-old to 80 plus. Traders with accounts as small as micro to accounts much, much larger, trading the system globally. So please listen to students' podcasts, as you will find someone just like you who struggled for many, many years until joining Fibonacci Trading Institute. Listen to traders' stories and journeys. And it's always the biggest gift when husband brings his wife to the course, when father brings his son to the course. View students' emails I receive. View students' posts. Because if these traders can do it, so can you. You can day trade the system. You can use system on options. Absolutely your choice. You can trade Forex. You can trade crypto. Or you can trade futures. Of course. When you make an effort, you trade with 86+% success rate. Profit factor 1781 on $1, $17.81. So listen and view and recognize this can be you. Only you can identify what's appropriate for you. Only you know what you can trade. System applies to all instruments, all time frames. Choose from option appropriate for you. 4 options available to you. Currently, we're offering the biggest savings ever, up to $1,000. Option 1 and 3 for all platforms. Option 2 and 4, all platforms and NinjaTrader 8 software included. Group course, everything fully automated on website. You sign up and you can start view videos and modules 24/7 of prior live recorded classes. If you're considering private mentoring, please speak with me first. Private mentoring overbooked. Only if we can work together with schedule, I can accept you into private mentoring. If not, waitlist months in advance. That's it. So please review everything on the website and understand. It all starts from this moment. Separating weakness from strength. You do not trade weakness. You only trade the strength. And it doesn't matter if it bonds, if it's stocks, if it's Forex or crypto. Price exactly the same on every instrument. So do not hesitate to contact us, please. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much for spectacular morning. Class after the close of the trading room. If you're joining us or have any questions, this is a perfect moment to reach out. I'm off on break.